Yes, my people. Alert! Alert! Make una hear. Naija don red. Thumb up to Tifnubu. It don't they give our youth what it takes to become robbers. It don't make them they high every day in crime. I'm talking from Edo State, Benin. This morning, I can't go and say, make I go do some things. You know now, as I just they go, I say, okay, may I take money? Now I give POS my card to withdraw money. My people, guess what? As I give her the card, I don't know where that boy. He tell me, say, Mama, network not there, they look am o. But I don't know when he take swap my card. Give me another card. Network not there, ma. Now say, okay, I waka come out. Only for me to go front. Say, okay, may I buy another thing and slaughter into the person ATM. He say, invalid pin. Because this one went there with me, not can be my own. The boy don't carry my own go. Invalid, okay, may I check my account. I discover, say, the boy don't wipe the money when they my account come out. As I talk to you now, this early money for Edo State, for Ring Road. As I talk to you, so as I did, yes, I don't they smile because the word of God say when they say there is a falling, we will say there is a lifting up. Maybe they smile when they smile. And I know that the just will live by faith. I am sending this message to anybody in Nigeria for you to get sense. Carry your, in fact, if you must go to ATM to withdraw money, collect the ATM from the person's hand. If you don't slaughter in, put your pin. Let the ATM don't bring out the paper say successful. Remove your card by yourself. This card I'm holding now is no longer my card. Only for me to log into my own app, I discovered that the boy has removed the money in this account. I am left with 106 naira inside the account. As before I from Ring Road reach, I saw my body don't they shake. I have to go to Zenith Bank to block my account and block the ATM. So that I know go use and commit fraud or use and buy something online. Don't you say na me get her. Now not that card now in my hand now. My people. Naija. I know say not be their fault, but Mona they careful. Now when they use ATM, even bank now safe, not they safe. The other day, my husband go open account. Before I from bank reach house, money when they open account, they don't withdraw a comot. So maybe everybody they as alert. As I'm talking to you now, if you get soup, you feel give me a call, I can carry. I celebrate every one of you. Just be very, very careful. Boys, not they play. They're too wise. You they feel say you wise. You know say they're wise past you. Even my own, if I never go the ATM, I cover everywhere. See, and you see I cover them like this. So that they not fit discover my number. But that one swap them. Give me another ATM. Honey, I bless you. If you are a child of God, just let me tell you. The situation of Nigeria cannot bring us down. No matter what they are throwing at us, we'll be stoic. The more it comes, we take it in stoically. I celebrate you. Remain on top always. God bless you.